If you are into soap business and it is not growing, or you want to start one, this video might save you from wasting your money, because this channel is all about practical business skill and soap making. In this video, I'll be telling you why most soap business fail and how to avoid it. So let's get right into the video. Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to today's video. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Okay, subscribe for more practical business skill and soap making, because you are going to gain a lot from this channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about why most soap business failed and what you can do to avoid this mistake. So I know that this is a video you have been waiting for. All you need to do right now is to subscribe, click on that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, YouTube will get to notify you. So let's get right into the mistake number one. Number one reason why most people fail is because they don't have business knowledge, they don't have the business idea. Okay, the first reason most soap business fail is because people focus on only making soap, not on business. Making soap is a skill, but selling soap is a business. If you don't understand the pricing, the customer, and the profit, your business will struggle. Believe in me, any business at all, not only soap making, any business at all you want to go into, make enquiry, because people are going into it. You did not just jump into it, or you wake up one morning, you say you want to go into this soap business because people are doing it and they are making money. Those people you are seeing, they have made their enquiry before doing it. So I urge you to also to do the same thing before going into any business you want to go to. You understand? And if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to enjoy more of benefit, because you are going to enjoy, you are going to learn a lot from this video on my channel, and it's going to help you. Okay, so let's go to number two. The second thing is wrong pricing. Yeah. Many beginners price their soap too cheap or too high. Whether you make it too cheap or too high, listen, if your price is too cheap or you make it too high customer will not buy. But if you calculate your cost proper, then you add your profit. That is why I said if the number one thing is business knowledge. If you don't have all this knowledge, that is where that is where wrong pricing will come in. But if you have the knowledge of what you are doing, you know what you are doing, you know how to price your soap very well after your calculation and everything. So that is it on that. The third mistake is poor quality and inconsistency. Some people make good soap today and tomorrow bad soap. Customer wants consistent. If your soap quality changes, customer will not trust you anymore. Okay? If you know you are good in anything you are doing, make sure that thing you are doing, let it be like perfect. Like, don't do good one today, next tomorrow you do the rubbish one. Like now, if you are into soap making and people used to talk about your soap, that your soap is good, the foaming aspect, the soap is strong, it lasts long. Follow that pattern. You understand? You follow that pattern. Don't put too much water. Don't add any harsh chemical that is going to irritate their skin, so that they'll keep on patronizing you and you keep on having many customer. But if you start adding too much water, today your soap is good, tomorrow your soap is bad, they are not going to trust you. In fact, they will divert to another people, because you are not the only one making soap. You understand? So that is it on that. The fourth thing, or the fourth mistake, is bad packaging and presentation. Even if your soap is good or bad, packaging can kill your business. Yes, people buy with their eyes first, whether you like it or not. Packaging matters. You understand? That is what people see most in everything or in any business you are doing. Okay, so that is it on that. My advice or solution on this, if you want your soap business to grow, okay, focus on these four things and it's going to help you. Number one, learning business, not just soap. Okay, proper pricing, that is number two. Number three, consistent quality, it matters. Number four, clean and attractive packaging, that kills them all. Okay, so that is what you need to do. Subscribe for more video. Yeah.